Tatiana Schlossberg had reason to think she would survive when, just after the birth of her daughter in 2024, doctors diagnosed her with leukemia. She was only 34, active, outgoing. "I could not believe that they were talking about me," she would write in The New Yorker. "I had swum a mile in the pool the day before, 9 months pregnant. I wasn't sick. I didn't feel sick. I was actually one of the healthiest people I knew."
Hi, I'm Tatiana Schlossberg.
She was an accomplished environmental journalist, already the busy mom of a young boy, and she was the daughter of Caroline Kennedy, the only surviving child of President John F. Kennedy and First Lady Jackie. Schlossberg accepted the pedigree, but charted her own course.
I'm always so surprised that people I don't know want to listen to me talk.
Indeed, when her mom's cousin, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., rose in the Trump administration as Secretary of Health and Human Services, she called him flatly unqualified and criticized his cuts to research, especially for cancer. "Suddenly, the healthcare system on which I relied," she wrote, "felt strained, shaky."
She laid it out there for the ages, and it's a testimonial to her dissent about what RFK Jr. is doing in the medical arena.
Although her specific illness is most often seen in much older people, chemotherapy, transfusions, nothing could stop it in this young woman. Against the backdrop of her family's long history of assassinations, accidents, and death, she wrote, "For my whole life I have tried to be good, to be a good student and a good sister and a good daughter, and to protect my mother and never make her upset or angry. Now I have added a new tragedy to her life, to our family's life, and there's nothing I can do to stop it." Schlossberg worried about her own children being so very young. "My son might have a few memories, but he'll probably start confusing them with pictures he sees or stories he hears. I didn't ever really get to take care of my daughter. I don't know who, really, she thinks I am, and whether she will feel or remember when I am gone that I am her mother." While the rest of her family, upon her death at the age of 35, issued a statement saying simply, "Our beautiful Tatiana passed away this morning. She will always be in our hearts."